What's going on, YouTube? Your boy KGB coming at you live. Alright, today's video is going to be a Kansas City exclusive. It's about a shopping mall, alright, Metro North Mall to be specific. Alright, and recently, as of yesterday, I learned how to edit. Kind of edit. Kind of. Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys is some videos and some pictures taken by the DJI Mavic Pro drone. Pretty cool. Alright. The person who took the videos and took the pictures, his name is Kerry Sneed. He's been a close family friend for 12 years now, but enough about him. Alright. His family owns a Ford dealership in Plattsburgh, aka Gower. And if you don't know what that is, which you should know what that is if you're from Kansas City, but if you don't, it's about 10 minutes north of Smithville. So just head on north and you'll run into it. We've bought 3 cars from them. They are always very fair, people. Always give you good trading value. Always have a great selection of inventory. I will put a link in the description of the dealership's website, and that is Dennis Sneed Ford is the name of the dealership. So check them out for all your car buying needs, and I will talk to you guys after you see this video and picture collaboration brought to you by Kerry and his DJI Mavic Pro drone. So hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so that's the video, pictures. Great job by Kerry. That mall, because I've lived in Kansas City my entire life. That mall has been a fixture in my childhood. I remember I was going to that mall. I remember riding the train. I can't remember what the cookie place was called across the way on the second level from Topsys, but I used to go there and there's big giant ass cookies, and just grab on those. I like to ride the train. I always rode the train, so that was fun. Liked looking at the balloons, and if you guys have ever been to the mall, then you know what I mean by balloons. So yeah, it's a piece of childhood gone. It's a piece of Kansas City gone, really, and so it's a sad deal. But hopefully, what they build in its place is cool. So that's that, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what the mall looks like, in its final stages. They won't be around for much longer, as you can tell by the videos. It's almost all gone, almost all demolished. So it's a sad deal, but hey, I guess that's the way of life, you know. You got to move on, but sad deal for us Northlanders. But that's that, guys. Thank you, Kerry Sneed, for making that video and pictures of Metro North, of the ruins, I guess I should say. So, thanks, bro. I probably appreciate it. Like I said, guys, if you need a car, if you want to go get it serviced or anything like that, you know, make sure you check out Dennis Sneed Ford, Gower, Plattsburgh, which is 10 minutes north of Smithville. So check it out, guys. I'll put the link in the description below for the online inventory for the dealership. So that's that, guys. So as always, be safe, be easy. Peace.